Solar Energy by Matt Fio and Sam Benfeld. Solar energy is an alternative energy source that involves harnessing the radiant light energy emitted by the sun and converting it into electrical currents. The most direct way to produce electricity is using photovoltaic cell systems. Light causes solar plates to release electrons, which are attracted by electrostatic force to opposing plates. Then wires connecting plates allows for the flow of current that can be used as electricity. The U.S. has some of the richest solar resources in the world. Germany, Spain, Italy, Japan, and the United States use solar energy the most. Solar energy is the cleanest and most abundant renewable energy source available. Producing electricity from solar energy was first discovered by French physicist named Edmond Becquerel, who realized the sun's energy could produce a photovoltaic effect. Since the middle of the 20th century, the ability to harness and utilize solar energy has greatly increased, making it possible for homes and businesses to make use of the renewable energy source. Solar energy is recovered by using solar panels. The solar cells on the solar panels attract the energy from the sun to produce the energy used for everyday life. The panels absorb solar energy, thereby heating the air within, which is circulated through a recovery system for utilization of heat. Comprehension of the air heated by the solar panel may be used to further increase the temperature, therefore for more efficient operation of the recovered energy utilization system. The EROI of solar energy is 6.8. Solar power is likely to be the most valuable of the renewable energy sources available. This is because it is plentiful and the least expensive to implement. New buildings can be built that incorporate the concepts as can homes. There are also solar panels that can be added to what is already in place.
There are a few ways we get energy from the sun. The most well-known is through solar panels that turn the sun rays into energy and store it in batteries. You can put it into batteries, and you can transport it with cables, just like regular electricity that is generated with coal or gas. The primary use of solar energy is when it is converted into the form of electricity, which is just the regular form of electricity that is also produced by coal and oil, used to do things such as heat your home. Recent advances in the conversion of solar energy to electricity have made solar energy the primary source of electricity, mainly just for those people that live in remote places with adequate sunlight. The first and foremost advantage of solar energy is that it does not emit any greenhouse gases. Also, solar energy is a renewable resource and is technically free once we have built the equipment needed to obtain it. One of the main disadvantages of solar energy is that the solar energy can't be absorbed at night. Also, solar inefficiency is a big problem because solar panels can only convert about 22% of the energy it absorbs into usable electricity. The only real environmental impacts of using solar power is from the emissions, such as CO2, that are created while producing the actual solar panels themselves. Solar energy is very costly upfront. It costs about $9,000 to $21,000 for a solar panel, but once they are installed, the energy is basically free. More people may start to move to solar energy in the future because of government subsidies they would acquire for switching to more green energy alternatives.